To Dharavi, which is, we have already explained that how Dharavi is a major concern area for the BMC. More than 1,000 cases have come from Dharavi. Me and my colleague Mustafa Sheikh visited various places in Dharavi, especially the containment clusters inside Dharavi, the health posts inside Dharavi, to understand that how the BMC is planning to get the Dharavi into the order. Let's have a look.
Asia's largest slum, where space is a luxury and social distancing unattainable. The pandemic is clutching at the narrow lanes of Mumbai's Dharavi, and the battle has just begun.
Now we are going in Dharavi to check the screening centers, the medical health post set up by the BMC inside Dharavi.
We traveled to a quarantine center inside one of the containment clusters in Dharavi.
There are around, I think, 236 patients right now. What we do is we keep them here for 10 days, and if they are not positive, if they are not found symptomatic or not positive, then we leave them.
क्या लोग आसानी से आ जाते हैं यहाँ पर, क्या बड़ा मुश्किल है?
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. कुछ लोग आने के लिए मना करते हैं, बोलते हैं नहीं हमें घर पे ही रुकना है, यहाँ पे नहीं आना है. तो थोड़ा सा समझा के बता के हम लोग वहाँ पे इन्हें लाते हैं.
कोई भाग जाता है,
कुछ भागने को ट्राई करते हैं.
This area where we are at this point of time, this is supposed to be a contaminated cluster. So the lockdown needs to be severe. But as you can see, the lockdown is not as severe as it should be.
Shops are open, people are out on the street. But it is a question of survival that brings them out.
अंदर चालू रखा है, पुलिस लोग आके चिल्लाते हैं बंद करो, तो हम लोग क्या करें? कुछ भी उम्मीद है, जो कोई एक दो आते हैं तो बिक जाता है, तो घर चल जाता है.
So the G North Ward Office have set up around 5 health posts here, and that is where the first person approaches. If they have any symptoms, they go to these health centers, check themselves, and then it becomes the health center's duty to segregate the person who had some symptoms, should be quarantined, and that's how the work happens.
The team of 30 health workers have the responsibility to keep a tab on the entire population of Dharavi.
पॉजिटिव पेशेंट के घर पे जाना पड़ता है. जो पॉजिटिव रहेगा उसको हम लोग ट्रांसकैम्प स्कूल में लाते हैं, फिर वहाँ से एम्बुलेंस आती है, एम्बुलेंस उनको लेके जाती है राजीव गांधी में, जहाँ पे उन लोग को पॉजिटिव पेशेंट को रखा जाता है, और उनकी फैमिली उनको हम लोग होम क्वारंटाइन करते हैं. अगर उनके घर में पॉसिबल नहीं है, उनका घर छोटा रहता है, इसके लिए वो रह नहीं सकते, इसके लिए हम लोग उनको यहाँ ट्रांसकैम्प के स्कूल में लाते हैं.
आशा वर्कर का जैसे अभी 3 महीने से पेमेंट भी नहीं आया है, 3 महीने से हम लगातार ऐसे ही काम कर रहे हैं.
So this is what it looks like to be a health post inside Dharavi. Of course, now every one of them will move out for the contact tracing. They have got to know that they have been assigned that there are some people who have been turned positive. So obviously they will have to search for the houses in the periphery where the COVID patient used to live.
But some people, like Ramzan Sheikh, do not know why they are being stamped.
तो अभी आपके हाथ पे जो लगा है उसका क्या मतलब है?
ये मुझे नहीं पता, ये वो लगा दिए.
Ramzan says his father died of a cardiac arrest, but now he's being home quarantined for no reason.
कोरोना वायरस का टेस्टिंग हुआ था?
नहीं हुआ, ये फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ.
The BMC team is asking people to stay at home, but the living conditions in Dharavi do not allow that.
Let's try and give you a look how the typical house within Dharavi looks like. So this is the house, and these many people sleep here every day. आप लोग कहाँ से हैं सब लोग?
हम लोग बिहार से.
हम लोग फॉर्म जमा कर चुके हैं, और जब हम लोग ने इसके लिए गए थे चौकी में, तो उन्होंने बताया कि 2-4 दिन में आपको फ़ोन आएगा या मैसेज के ज़रिए खबर मिलेगी, तो आप लोग को फ़ोन आने के बाद आप लोग को फ़ौरन तैयार होकर निकलना है यहाँ से. तो बस हम लोग इसी फ़ोन का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि जहाँ वहाँ से कभी भी फ़ोन आए तो हम लोग तैयार हैं निकलने के लिए।
So this is what is the condition in Dharavi, and that's why it becomes really difficult to implement any kind of a lockdown within the Dharavi.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.